Have you run into the problem install error 0x80070643? Microsoft are at it again to make your lives harder. Not to worry, as I will solve this problem for you. It's very simple. Note, this update requires 250 megabytes of free space in the recovery partition to install successfully. Important: this update will not be offered if your Windows recovery environment, WinRE, meets any of the following conditions. If the WinRE recovery partition does not have sufficient free space, see the note in the Summary section. The note provides instructions about how to increase the available free space in the WinRE recovery partition. If the WinRE recovery partition was manually updated by using the procedure in Add an Update package to Windows RE and is already up to date. If the WinRE image has a version greater than or equal to version 10.01904.1.3920. To determine the version of your WinRE image, check the WinRE version registry value at HKEY local machine in software, Microsoft Windows, and current version. If your running PC does not have a WinRE recovery partition, to verify if you have WinRE enabled, run the following command in an elevated command prompt: reagentc/info. If WinRE is enabled, you will see Windows RE status in the output with a value of enabled. In this scenario, this update might be needed. If you would like to make sure your device is offered this update, please follow the instructions to manually resize your partition link in the description, or use a sample script to increase the size of the WinRE recovery partition, which is also in the description. Once your partition has sufficient disk space, click Start Settings. Windows Update. Check for updates to have the update offered to you and then install it.